Hi, I'm Sheetal. I'm healthcare practitioner. Welcome to my channel Amisi Happiness. I hope you all are doing well and safe at home. Today I'm going to talk about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Sign and symptoms of coronavirus, treatment of coronavirus, how to protect from coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes COVID-19 disease. The most common symptoms of COVID-19: the first, breathing difficulty, fever, dry cough, tiredness, and so on. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect some patients include body ache, pain, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat, diarrhea, and loss of taste. How does COVID-19 spread? Well, people can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease is spread primarily from person to person through small droplets from nose, mouth, which are expelled when person with COVID-19 cough, sneeze or speaks. These droplets are relatively heavy, do not travel for and quickly sink to the ground. People can catch COVID-19 if they breathe in these droplets from a person infected with the virus. This is why it is important to stay at least 1 meter away from others. This droplet can land on objects and surfaces around the person, such as table, doorknobs, handrails, and so on. People can become infected by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose, mouth. This is why it is crucial to wash your hands regularly with soap and waters or clean with alcohol based hand rub at least 20 seconds. Next, how to protect yourself and others from the spread of COVID-19. You can reduce your chances of being infected or spreading COVID-19 by taking some simple precautions. Firstly, regularly clean your hands with an alcohol based hand rub or wash them with soap and water, because washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol based hand rub kills viruses that may be on your hands. Secondly, maintain at least 1 meter, that means 3 feet distance between yourself and others. Why? When someone cough, sneeze or speaks, they spray small liquid droplet from their nose or mouth which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person has the disease. Thirdly, avoid going to crowded places, because where people come together in crowds, you are more likely to come into close contact with someone that has COVID-19, and it is more difficult to maintain physical distance of 1 meter, that means 3 feet. Fourth point is that avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth, because hands touch many surfaces and can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there the virus can enter your body and infect you. Fifth point is that make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. That means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue. When you cough or sneeze, then dispose of the used tissue immediately and wash your hands, because droplet spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, flu and COVID-19. Sixth point is that stay home and self-isolate, even with minor symptoms such as cough, cold, headache, mild fever until you recover. Have someone bring you supplies if you need to leave your house. Wear a mask to avoid infecting others, because avoiding contact with others will protect them from possible novel coronavirus and other viruses. Seventh point is that if you have a fever, cough, breathing difficulty, seek medical attention, but call by telephone in advance if possible, and follow the directions of your local health authority, because national and local authorities will have the most up to date information on the situation in your area. Calling in advance will allow your health care provider to quickly direct you and the right health facilities. I think this will also protect you and help prevent spread of coronavirus and other infection. Last but not the least, keep up to date on the latest information from the trusted source such as World Health Organization and your local and national health authority, because local and national authorities are best placed to advise on what people in your area should be doing to protect themselves. Treatment of coronavirus. There's currently no treatment specifically approved for COVID-19 and no cure for an infection, although treatments and vaccines are currently under studies. But some symptomatic treatments are available to reduce coronavirus, such as antiviral or retroviral medications, breathing support such as mechanical ventilation, and steroid to reduce lung swelling, blood plasma transfusion, and so on. Stay at home, stay safe, keep watching, spread happiness.